I'd like to discuss something very important and also as a warning, especially to the new traders. Never ever write a naked call option. So when I say naked call option, it means like you have no shares in your portfolio, but you have decided to write a call on a certain share. So when you write a call, you are obligated to sell your stock at a so when you write a call option, you are obligated to sell the stock at the agreed strike price. Now imagine if the strike price was 10, but something happened in the market and the stock price actually moved up to $100. Now in this case, if you have a naked call, if you have written a call option, so what happens is you don't have any stock to back this up. Then you'll have to buy stock worth $100 from the market to fulfill your promise. So it has an unlimited downside. The price could have gone from 10 to 1000, could have gone to anywhere. So you better not expose yourself to this kind of unprecedented risk. It's always better to play safe and always have a goal in mind. So it shouldn't bar you from writing calls. You may write calls if you have certain number of stocks to back up your uh, to back up your call position. So if you make a promise to sell, then make sure you have certain stocks with you. Another thing to avoid here is trying to buy call options with a short-term expiry and hoping that the markets would go up. It's a drain. If it doesn't go up, your premiums get wasted. So it's always better to allow yourself some time so that the market, when it fluctuates in your favor, you could be able to lock in your gains and close your position. And another important thing with the options is when you're buying with a broker, they will give you a bid and ask. So always try to average it down. So let's say if the bid price is 10.5 and the ask price is 11, so you have to take an average of the bid and ask. So 10.5 and 11, their average will be 10.75. So I'm talking about a premium. So this is the options premium, not the stock's price, but the options price. So when you place an order, it should be at somewhere between the bid and ask. So try not to buy high and try not to sell low. So always look for a median. So this is a rule of thumb. This is a heuristic, and it's not an optimal way of doing things, but to some extent it saves your cost. And last but not the least, another I should say stupid risk with the options is if you don't have a plan in mind and you're just randomly doing it for the sake of trading or short-term profits, then you have to think again. You have to make it very clear why you are doing this and what's your objective behind it. So having aimless trades can lead you into a lot of losses. So we always need to have a plan and we always need to have a purpose for using options. So in this course, I will take you through different purposes and different objectives that we should consider before trading options.